Hello everyone. Today, we are going to delve into the topic of integrating powers of trigonometric functions. This is an essential concept in calculus with various applications in physics, engineering, and mathematics. Let's get started. First, let's briefly introduce trigonometric integrals. These involve integrals of functions like sine, cosine, and tangent. Understanding how to integrate this function is crucial because they appear frequently in various scientific fields. Here are the basic integration formulas for the sine, cosine, and tangent functions. Knowing these basic formulas is the foundation of integrating more complex expressions involving these functions. When dealing with powers of sine and cosine, we often use reduction formulas. For example, the integral of sine to the power of 2x can be solved using a trigonometric identity to simplify the expression before integrating. Let's look at an example to integrate sine squared of x. We use the identity sine squared of x is equals to 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. This simplifies the integral to the n minus cosine 2x over 2, which is much easier to solve. The final answer is 1 half of x minus 1/4 of sine 2x plus c. When integrating powers of tangent and secant, we use specific techniques tailored for these functions. For instance, the integral of secant squared x is straightforward and equals tan x plus c. Now, let's integrate secant cube x. We use integration by parts where u is equals to secant x and dv is equals to secant squared x. This gives us secant x tan x minus integration of sec x tan squared x dx. We then simplify using the identity tan squared x is equal to secant squared x minus 1. For more complex integrals, we employ various strategies such as trigonometric identities, substitution, and integration by parts. These techniques help simplify the integrals and make them more manageable. Integrating powers of trigonometric functions has numerous applications. In physics, it helps in analyzing harmonic motions. In engineering, it's used in signal processing, and in mathematics, it plays a crucial role in Fourier series. In conclusion, mastering the integration of trigonometric functions and their powers is essential for solving many real-world problems. I encourage you to practice these techniques to gain a deeper understanding and proficiency. Thank you for your attention. Now, I'm happy to answer any questions you might have or discuss any points further in the comment section. Thank you.